In this video, I'm just going to show you what an embroidery hoop is. So this is made of two parts. I've got a pink one here from Amazon made of plastic, but usually they are wood and round. And as I said, it's made of two parts. One is an inner circle, and I'm putting that underneath my fabric so that I can then put the other one, which is the larger one, on top of it. So it stretches your fabric in between them and really helps create space so that you can do your sewing in a much more easy fashion than if you didn't have one of these. So you've got to keep it taut and tight. So taut, T-A-U-T, that means nice and tight with no wrinkles in it. And you do that by making sure the two rings are fully aligned, and then you tighten it with the screw. And just be really careful when you're sewing that it doesn't sort of pop out. If you see it popping out, you can just tighten it again.